Hello everyone, this is the China International Boat Show. I'm going to visit each booth here. Please stay with me and make sure you don't miss it. Let's begin. Let's check the first one, ZOU. I think it offers some outfits. How about this one? It's from Germany. For immigration. So if you want to be a German, if you want to be a German citizen, you can find them. There's a yacht. SWEECC, SWEECC from Japan, I think. CIBS. The light isn't on here. The power is off for this booth. The Yamaha from Japan. So this company is called All Hard. All Hard is pretty nice. MERCURY. The vast ocean is ahead. I think I had better introduce each one. I'm a devoted one. I've been working so hard, and you guys simply support me by liking, by comment, making a comment. I feel appreciated. Suzuki from Japan, I think. Let's go to that way. Yamaha, Suzuki, they are both from Japan, I think. Wow. Can you see the logo? AI for boat. Honda. Yeah, that one is EXPLOMAR. Explorer. Something like that. Pretty cool. Is that a frame? Is that the frame of a boat? Honda. What about that one? NAVICO. Navico. Sea Royal. Is that a Sea Royal? I think so. If you are well-to-do, your family is well-to-do, you can afford your own boat, even your own yacht. It's glorious when you sail on the ocean, in the sea. MSD. So you can check out the logo, and then everything is crystal clear. Just a pause. BBH CIBS. Marine. Ocean what? Ocean Master. It's cool. Ocean Master. Yeah, there's a lot of Chinese players, producers, and it seems not very big, but it's pretty professional. The sphere is pretty professional. I think they've got the consensus to come here because they can meet their partners, their providers, and even their distributors, and it's pretty good to visit and to participate into this kind of professional trade show. And I haven't been to that section. Let's go and move to that section. I just want to try my best to cover everyone. It's pretty nice for you to relish it, to fancy it. Some of them are pretty fancy. Maybe you are in this business line and you even do not necessarily come here physically, and you can enjoy the whole skill, the whole situation here. What about that one? That one is pretty big. The logo is pretty unclear. Sometimes if the logo is not easy to recognize, I don't think it's a good idea to do that. Look at that logo. H-I, is that a D? D-E-A, I think. H-I-D-E-A. Maybe. That one is a Parsun. P-A-R-S-U-N. F-O-R-M-I-T-E-K. For MeTech, what about this one? CIBS from China. Marine technology. This one even does not have an English name. No English version, just the Chinese characters. Maybe they are targeting the national market, the domestic ones. Drop stitch, kayak. Yeah, that one is pretty hard. That word, I learned it by the book weeks ago. Kayak, K-A-Y-A-K. It's kind of a cool sport. How about that one? You can look at the logo. It's pretty cool. Let's check that one. Drop stitch. Kayak, maybe, I'm not sure. The pronunciation maybe is different. Yeah, this sport is really impressive and amazing. I love it, but I have never and ever tried it. Maybe you guys have tried it already. Ride the future wave. Wow, so romantic. ride the future romantic wave, maybe, with your lover. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the starting point. And if you like this video, please give me a like. Thank you very much for your attention. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye.